Wait. Wind that back for a second. Oh yeah, that's FPV. So suck it, Nice Crash. I'm an FPV channel now. Let's keep going. Honestly, this one's going to be quick. I'm actually getting back into FPV thanks to the /RFPV Discord. I went on there and somebody suggested to me to get a little micro FPV camera for my X450 plane, and I got it. And then I asked how I could see the feed, and they recommended a little Skydroid unit. And I bought that, and I was actually astounded by the quality of the analog feed. The last time I tried FPV, it was actually on a Emax Easy Pilot. It looks like the VTX on those just aren't very good because all I got were lines going down the screen and giving me a headache. So I ended up, just giving that away for free to some random person who showed up to my house. So I am getting back into it. I picked up a LiteRadio 2SC and then Tryp FPV, which you can see now. I've been going through it. I'm teaching myself how to do acro, playing around with scenarios. Did some other dive races if you're into the freestyle kind of stuff. But what I really wanted was a cinematic experience. So I went out there, and in the same Discord, everybody was raving about this Babe Ape 3, which is a super cheap drone. And I said, okay, let's buy it, see what happens. $79, how bad could it be? Additionally, I 3D printed a GoPro mount for it, which I'm attaching in the description. So if you want to buy your own little Babe Ape 3 and put a GoPro on it, you can. So I finally got my little baby ape ready to go with a little GoPro now. I haven't done the balance cable to USB, so it's still using the heavy battery. So that's about 244 grams. But here I'm just getting ready to test the actual capabilities to see how much amperage I'm pulling, right? So if I'm pulling a lot of amps, then I can't do a lot for it. And I'll be doing 2 recordings, one on the Skydroid receiver. Come on. Come on, buddy. Communicate. Okay. There you go. Controller's paired up. So, I'm going to use the standard props that came with it. Then I'm going to try some bigger props. And if the amps aren't too crazy, then I'm probably going to try these Cine 5-blade props that are supposedly for a bigger motor, but I just want to see how they perform. So I'm going to be using the Emax transporter goggles here. I just need to put the antennas on, and then I'll be using the Skydroid for recording on my phone, just to get my feed. And that's it for me. Love it. It's really nice out here. This tropical park is actually really nice today. It's Sunday right before the Labor Day, so everybody's out here, so I'm gonna be away from everybody, trying to just trying to get a feel for this quad, trying to see what I'm able to do with it, and trying to see how it looks. Since I have a full GoPro on it, I can also gyroflow stabilize this and obviously use GH Alex and whatnot. And I crashed. Question is, where did I crash? Oh, I think I see it. Ah, alright. Oh man. I'm gonna fly. Arm? Nope. It's no good. Not arm. What is your problem? That's not good.